Morning, guys and family. How y'all doing this morning? I know it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I hadn't did a video in so long. Had to give me some more storage. Had a lot of stuff going on with shooting at the job. That was a shooting up at the job. If y'all go look at the news, y'all will see that it was on the news with the store that I work at here in Texas. There was a shooting in front of our job. The bullet came through the window. So I'm grateful that none of us got hit. Thank God for that. But 2 people did get shot. You know, they didn't die. They made it to the fire station for help. And the news say that the person that did the shooting came back to the scene to tell her story. You know, her side of the story. But I'm glad to be able to come on here today and share with y'all. First of all, I want to say that Brooklyn, I saw your video. I commented on it. The video where you did your 2 worst cornstarches. I feel you on that, especially that maizena. But like you say, to each his own. But today, I am going to be doing a taste test. But it's not no 2 worse. Mine's is, both of them is ARGO container. But y'all, this one is 2/13/2026. 2026. And this one is 10/25/2025. So it's a comparison out of 2025 and 2026. So I have a 2026 and a 2025 taste test that I'm going to be doing to see if there's a difference between the 2. Also, I have this here, which I'm inspired by my sister Brooklyn. I'm going to fill this box up to make me some scented starch. In here is the little pink box of Johnson & Johnson, y'all. Oh, and it smells like baby powder. It smells like baby soap, you know. It really do smell like a baby. It smells so good. It's the pink box. So I'm going to fill this up with some of these here. And I'm going to let it sit for a couple of days and see if I have scented starch. I'm going to do that also. But I'm going to do a taste test between 2025 and 2026. We're going to start with the 2025 first because I already had opened it. Okay, guys.